I kept wanting to find a way to get you on my podcast. And then you started talking, you did a video on toxic masculinity for men and boys in church. I'm like, there it is. That's what we need to talk about because I know that that's very prevalent. So explain to us exactly what that means.
Yeah. Uh, so toxic masculinity is this like overly, I've never actually tried to define it, to define it. But it's like this overly masculine, like the almost like a caricature of men and masculinity.
They're
That
so over the top, right?
Yeah, and so like the toxic, what's toxic about this idea that men that men have to be sporty, that men have to have, I don't know, deep voices, and that men have to be attracted to women, and all
And they
of
have to be
these.
tough,
They have to be
right?
tough, right? They've got to suck it up. They are not supposed to show their emotions, or they, basically, it's funny because in this world that we are in right now, like one of the values that's asserted in toxic masculinity is really basically they need to have a low EQ, like a low emotional intelligence, and
So true.
and it's just this like very rigid gender roles
Mm-hmm.
that are defined outside of these men and boys in a way that it hurts them, but it also hurts relationships with women. It also, when these guys are trans or are queer, it is this like just internalized struggle of like what it means to be a man and all of that kind of
Mm-hmm.
stuff. Yeah.